Lord here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today we are playing Miss You by the Rolling Stones. I believe Sugar Blue played the harmonica part on this one, and it's a really nice practice for your draw bends. As always with these licks, we're going to use a C diatonic harmonica. So what's the tab for this lick? Well, I'm splitting it up into 3 parts. The first 2 are actually the same, so it's basically the same thing twice. So we've got so 2 draw full step bend, 2 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw half step bend, 2 draw, 2 draw full step bend, 2 draw. So we're using the full step bend on 2 and we're using the half step bend on 3. And we do that twice. And then the last line, you've got to stop yourself going to that 4 blow because we're not using it. So 2 draw full step bend, 2 draw, 3 draw half step bend, 2 draw. So that 4 blow is the only chance to breathe out. So you might want to try and get an extra bit of breath out because all of the other notes are draw notes. In theory, you could use the 3 blow instead of the 2 draw, but it does make it harder to move between that note and the bend on 2. So if I play this in full, and then once more, 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. So that's the Miss You lick. If you're really keen to improve your bending, check out the link in the description to my full bending course at my online harmonica school. I'll be back soon with some more licks for you to practice your bending. Until then, enjoy your practice. Cheers.